if you're in TradingView and you're in a paper trade, we should be on the same. We should have the same clock on the bottom of the screen.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that. Hold on. Trying to figure out this damn tool. This damn tool is irritating me.
Okay, so right where it says the cross, the next box is lines. You'll see a trend line, array, info line, and I want you to find vertical line. And you only have 5 minutes to do this, Jay. I say that because something's going to happen at 3:10. I want you to see it on the chart. It's going to happen at it's going
Okay, so find it at three what?
3:10.
3:10.
Mm-hmm.
I found it.
All right. Yeah.
Why the fuck did they trying to get me to buy the membership?
No, you don't have to do that. They're always going to try to upsell you something. But what are you trying to? I'm not. I'm. Do you? I don't know where you at. I don't understand what you're doing.
I'm on TradingView, but I'm trying to set the horizontal line you just told me.
Not a horizontal. It's a vertical line. Do you have
Oh, vertical.
Do you have indicators on your chart?
Yeah, I have my bottom and my high, and then I got my EMA.
Yeah, so that's probably why you got that thing. Because with the paper trade account, they only allow you to have two indicators on there at one time.
So take it off.
Yeah, but you should be able to use a. I don't have any indicators. Well, I got one indicator on here. Oh, I just got rid of that. Yeah, I don't usually use indicators all the time. And something's going to happen at in 4 minutes at 12:10 at 12:10. Price is going to change, and I want you to mark it for. I'm trying to teach you something about time and price, and it's important. So
All right, I marked it 12:10.
okay, so lock in that line. Now at 12:10, you're going to notice the algorithm is going to shift price in a different direction. And it typically happens about 3 minutes after the hour. At 3 minutes, at 10:13, the algorithm's going to start, but it's going to be activated at 3:10. So right now the price is moving higher. So I anticipate price. I could be wrong because some of the macros at different times do certain things that are different. And I don't usually watch Bitcoin, but it's the algorithm that's controlling this stuff, Jay.
It's going up right now.
Yeah, it's going up right now, but in 3 minutes it should change. And I have a line on there, and I want to prove to you that this is algorithmic. The algo's controlling price, and the algo's going to start at 3:10. Now this is it's called a macro. Okay, did I tell you what a macro is? A macro is a set of computer instructions, and it tells the computer to carry out certain things. It's like you having a remote control that's programmed to come on at a certain time, and then it activates like a timer. So a macro is a set of computer instructions to tell the computer to do certain things at a certain time.
Okay, so you think that's what's going on with the?
It goes on every day. I'm not thinking about it. There's one that happened at 2:30, and it went on to 3 o'clock for that 30 minute time, 30 minute time, and there's another one's going to happen, and it's going to happen in a few minutes.
You backtracked. You went back time.
Who me?
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a macro that happens at 3:10 and 3:50, and sometimes
Oh, automatically, like
yes,
every day.
every day. So that's why I got my line on the 3:10, and we have 1 minute. So that's why I want you to put the line there on 3:10,
Yes, sir.
and you're gonna see how the price is gonna change as soon as it gets on the other side of 3:10. Now the macro typically does two things. It's gonna run for liquidity to the high side, or it's gonna run for liquidity to the low side, and it's gonna run for 40 minutes, then reset, and typically run the other direction. We have three lower touches at the liquidity areas, the 1, 2, 3, on the trend line. If you go from the twin line wick from 1 a.m. to the twin line wick at what time is this? At 3 o'clock. Well, three a.m. That's the second touch. That's the third touch,
Yeah.
and we're in an ascending triangle. The price is going to try probably the price. We have a double top over here at the time of 113 and at the time of 1219. You have two tops. Price is probably going to run up to those two tops, take out the liquidity there, and then go back the other direction, or it may not, and we'll have what we call as a failure swing
Okay.
because we already have one
We already have.
one failure swing. But that macro is going to try to run for liquidity somewhere, and then it's going to reverse. Okay, so we 1 minute into the macro, and let's see what this 1210 macro does. I'm not usually monitoring Bitcoin like this though. At this time, and I'll be on
It's a
something
lot
else.
of different. It's a lot of jumps.
When you heard that video, I reheard it. I was hearing a whole lot of echo, so I was like,
Yeah, I couldn't hear shit.
and I'm like, let me see, I have a mic on or something.
You gotta get a microphone, Kev.
Man, I gotta. You'll see when you come over here. I think I have my mic and my CPU turned on, and
Yeah, it sounded like the cell phone microphone. You were speaking through the cell phone, and it was like echoing, so it was kind of like microphone to microphone or something.
exactly. I was too
Oh,
tired to re-record it, but I did go to my desktop audio and turn that one mic off, because I have a headset on with earpieces on right now, and I'm recording what we're doing. Okay, so we had a one candle pullback. So what it's going to do right now, I think it's going to go target that high at 1:12 a.m. It's going to
I've
take.
been sitting here waiting for it to hit my zone for like a good 30 minutes now. Even she just sitting here waiting for it to hit.
Oh, did you see? Did you watch my video on patience?
Huh? See, yeah. Okay. It's a profit. Yeah, I know. There, you got it right there. You sold. So you got it right here then.
Is she long or short right now?
Huh?
Is she long or short right now?
Is she longer, huh?
Does she? Yeah, long or short. Long means she buying. Short means she's selling.
Yeah, I think that she was on the long game. She was buying.
Oh, okay.
She started at low and raised up. She getting the hang of it a little bit. I'm just keeping her small things. I don't want to overwhelm her.
Yeah,
She
yeah,
was
yeah.
overwhelming. I took in so much information one day. I just had to stop. I had to just stop. It was too much.
A little bit at a time, Jay. You can't eat the whole pig at one sitting, bro.
I know. I know. I was trying to. I got to damn near the stomach and had to stop.
Right?
It'd be too much. But at the same time, I'm addicted to money. I love money too much. And that shit is speaking volumes right now.
Real talk, right?
Yeah. I don't know why I underestimated it. I don't know why I underestimated it. I didn't. I just had a whole bunch of other shit going on. I'm more so, a person that sees money. I gotta see things
Mm-hmm.
in order for me to know it's real.
All right, so we just had another failure swing, and price just dropped. But I already knew it was going to. I already told you before it happened. After this algorithm hits at 110, price is going to change. I already know that, Jay, before it happens. You know why?
You know the market. You know
Exactly.
price action.
Exactly. And I know when I know what time. Now it's going to be another time it's going to happen too. Let me tell you what that is. And I'm recording this too, so I'm going to make sure you have this recording. And it's going to be about time and price. There is a computer macro that goes off 2 times every hour. The first macro starts at 10 minutes after the hour, and the second macro happens 10 minutes before the hour. So what that means is at 3:10 there's going to be a macro, and that means at 3:50 is going to be a macro, and it happens every hour. So
So
you
you gotta explain it to me one more time.
no, I'm recording this, so you're going to get the recording.
Okay.
So as we're talking right now, you're going to hear yourself in the recording because we're talking, and I'm gonna upload it tonight. But I'm also going to change the privacy settings, uh, and that channel is just for you, Jay. I'm not going to share with the public, so I'm going to have to move all those videos to private and give you access to those.
Tell us. What's it looking like, man? What's it looking like? I hit that zone. It's gonna reconsolidate. It's gonna go back to that zone. I think it's gonna go down.
And why do you say so? Right now, it's at the top of the zone that you like.
No, it's not. It's at the bottom of it. The next the wick that's coming up, the candle that's coming up, I think that it's gonna retouch. If it don't retouch, I think it's gonna reconsolidate back to the middle, back to the consolidation line.
Hmm. Do you know what a liquidity void is?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I see two liquidity voids at price at 11:30:29 p.m. And at 11:33. So we might push up to 62,903. That would close one liquidity void.
I think so.
Yeah, usually that when it tries to rebalance over there, there's a Bissy and a Sissy over there trying to rebalance.
That's the top of my zone.
62,903.
Yeah.
Uh, and that's a good top because that's the top of the liquidity void. But we may not hit that until after 350 though.
You don't think so?
Yeah, because we just got another.
Right.
We just because the macro at 310 is a bearish macro, and you notice price is coming down, right?
Yeah, it's coming down. It didn't retouch either. You're right.
We had a failure swing.
Yeah. That's a solid issue.
What a failure swing is, it tried to it tried to do a double top or break out, and it failed to do
Yeah.
that. It failed to do that.
It failed to make profit.
Well, you're gonna call it that because you set up long right now, or you're probably in a drawdown right now, right?
Yeah, I'm in drawdown.
Hmm. Well, that's going to change after 350, though. I think it's going to go after that volume imbalance, that liquidity void at 62,903 is the top.
Hold on,
The bottom of that volume imbalance on liquidity void is 62,881 is what I have. So that's a zone, that's an area of we can call a point of interest, and I think price is going to get back there to fill that spot eventually. 903 is the high of that zone. 62881 is the low of that zone. I think that's you said that's your area, right?
903. Yeah, yeah, that's my top, right? Yeah, that's my top. What's your bottom?
The
What's
bottom
your
of that
base?
the bottom of that zone.
You know, the bottom of your high low of your London
Six,
low. What's your London low?
62881 is the low of that liquidity void. There's a void of liquidity between those two numbers. There's no price action there at all.
What does that mean, Kev?
Uh, I know. One step at a time, Jay.
What?
So right now it looks like we're going to pull back and test this order block at the bottom. I'm going to highlight the order
Mm-hmm.
block. The order block I'm highlighting is at price of 62. What is that? 62,730 to 62,713. There's like 17 points in there. That's the bottom of that order block. So that's what they call an extreme order block down there.
Oh, you losing me.
That's
Oh,
fine.
you
You'll get
losing
it.
me.
So I just seen two more voids of liquidity. I see. So we're in a triangle right now though. So we're going to be breaking out here pretty soon. The breakout should happen after 3:50 a.m. or 12:50. So it's going to be another 30 minutes of tight ranging before it breaks out. I'm right. I'm going to put in a buy order right now because I think we're going to break out to the upside. And I'm going to take profit at the top of that liquidity, that void 62,903, 62,900. I'm going to use the round numbers. What? Why is this thing tripping? 62,903. Stop loss 750. Oh, it's tripping. What the hell? What's wrong? Oh, you know what? I did make that change. I did make that change. I did make that change. You're right. You're right. Gotta stop doing that. 62, 903, 900. And Jay, are you there? Jay, I don't know what just happened, Jay, but I'm gonna try calling you back. Spot on. I don't know what happened, Jay, but I was telling you I was finna go long, and the target I'm going for right now is this area here, 62,903. That's the target I'm headed for, and it looks like we're about to hit that. It's right here. It's what I'm looking for. This is the area 62. 903, 100. Just as I predicted, that is this area here. It's trying to fill that gap. There's another gap up here. We may even hit that target, but I'm going to head and close. I'm going to go ahead and lock in some profits right here by moving this up. So $60 are locked in despite what happens. We have another liquidity void. This is a I'm going to show you what a liquidity void is, Jay. This area missing price and this area missing price. That's called a liquidity void. From here to here. You see there was no price movement in here. Price typically is going to return to that to fill that area. And that's what we just did right here. We filled that gap. I'm going to move my stop loss here. I'm managing the trade. I'm going to put it right below this wick. So I just locked in $80. We have another liquidity void here. On a higher time frame, this is a fair value gap. So price may reach up until this area right here and then proceed higher. And it may go to the concentrated encroachment or the 50% level of this, should be a 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. So price might move up to here, from here, and retouch this area. May even go to the middle of that area, the 50%. If it does, right now I'm managing the trade. Go back down to the 1-minute chart. Up 91 bucks. Stop loss is at 80.35. So if I get stopped out, at least I'll put 80 bucks in the account. And I can always jump back in. But that's it for the night. This video's been 22 minutes. We'll talk more about the fair value gap, and then I'll tell you more about the failure swing. Now we just broke that failure swing on this chart, so it's no longer a failure swing. We did get that swing a brick higher. It broke out. We came into the void, liquidity void here. We're above that right now. The next target is this little liquidity void area right here. It's at 62,975 to 62.64. So you have about 9 points right there. We should push up to that, and we may even go up to 33.050. So I'll conclude this lesson for tonight. Get this ready for you to go and add it to your page. You might see some new settings on the channel. Hit Never at J. I'm going to move that to a private. All those to private, only you can access with your email address. All right, Jay. Love you, man. Let's talk soon. Bye-bye.